Boredom. A particularly relevant subject today. Everything at work's been cancelled, no boats going out. And for once, I'm somewhat on top of maintenance.
What time to be alone?
Now, I don't think I'd be alone in saying that boredom and amount smoked in a day, there's most definitely a correlation. But I will say I find it kind of strange. Like, I think about it sometimes when I'm bored, and the first thought that comes to mind is have a cigarette. I mean, having a cigarette isn't the most exciting thing someone can really do with their time. But the more I think about it, the more I'm starting to think that the secret in this whole quitting smoking malark might be in nailing that thinking around when you're bored. Like I think I've mentioned a few times in the last few videos how when I'm entertained, when I'm on the water, when I'm with friends, it's not that hard to not smoke. But as I've said, in your own head, in those 3 moments of time is when you think about smoking, and there's sort of this weird phenomenon that takes over and boom, you have a cigarette. So in those moments of boredom where nicotine has a chance to get into your brain and make you think, I'm bored enough to go for a cigarette, maybe the answer is little mini micro meditations. Certainly worth a shot, eh? So, another day down. I think I'm sat in some duck shit. Another day down. Yeah, I'm pretty much back to square one where I was before we were in Croatia, or that first day in Croatia. Definitely, yeah. Don't think I'm as bad as I was before I left, which is good. Means something's going in, eh? Yeah, I don't really know how to summarise. It's been a good day to reflect on the boredom side. Yet another thing I need to work on. Again, goes back to that being alright in my own head, not smoking, which is ultimately why I'm doing this. I'm not doing this for any other person. I'm doing this because I want to stop smoking. So yeah, we'll persevere. The nicotine replacement thing, I've got such a I really push back to the idea, and I kind of think it's silly at this point, and I should just give in. I mean, it works for people. It doesn't work for as many people as maybe advertising would suggest, but we shall persevere. And fingers crossed the weather's better tomorrow. This has been end of the worldly. It's horrible. But very pretty skies. Anyway, we shall persevere. I'll keep in touch.